Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta. Welcome back to another Real Talk Tuesday video. This Tuesday is super special and super nerve-wracking because my official blog is going live right about now. First things first, the official Mostly Sane blog is going to be called moslysane.in. That's my official website. That is where I am going to be uploading a lot of new content, which is not video based but is more article based, more writing, more reading, more sharing things that cannot necessarily be shared via speaking. I just thought I'd make this video to clear a few things I had in my head. First of all, it's my first time. I am learning. I literally didn't know how to go about things and now I'm just learning from scratch. So please bear with me while we work on the blog. The blog is still a work in progress. I'm gonna see how it goes, just how I did with the channel, right? So I put out a content, I saw what worked, I did trial and error, and then sort of I still think I'm finding my feet with the content, and it's gonna be the same with the blog. So please feel free to criticize. Please feel free to tell me that Prajakta, this was not good, we want better. Please feel free to tell me what content you want to read. Please feel free to give me honest feedback because that's the only way I can actually make the content better on the blog. I'm working a lot on the design of the blog also. Right now just one article is going to be up, a few pictures are going to be up, so everything is very basic, everything is very raw. As the weeks pass, as the days pass, as I learn more about it, I'll be trying and putting out more content there, framing it according to your likes and dislikes, according to my skill maybe. Yeah, that's how it's gonna work. Along with the blog content, the website will have a lot of pictures because I have this sudden love for photography and editing pictures and all of that. The blog will have a place where you can shop for the Shameless merch and a lot of other merch as and when I keep uploading it. There's gonna be a video library where you can go and watch my YouTube videos. You'll have updates on what's going on in my life. It's basically my personal diary. So I'm giving you access to it, man. Full access. Come invade my privacy, please. So if you go to the homepage of the blog and just go around it, you'll find that if you put your email ID and your name, you can click on subscribe. So every time I upload new content on the blog, you'll get a notification about it. So also with the content, I'm not making any daily, weekly or any monthly commitments, but for now I'm going to settle with 2 to 3 posts every month because again, it's very new for me. I know none of you guys will like judge me and be like, unsubscribe, bakwas likhti hai. It's not going to be like that, but I just want to make sure that I am worth your while. Like if you spend 10 minutes reading what I've written, I want to make sure those are the best 10 minutes of your life. What is going to be on the blog? There's going to be a lot of lifestyle, there's going to be a lot of travel, there's going to be a lot of thoughts, because I have noticed that I do a lot of writing, I do a lot of other thinking. There are a lot of moments when I am not funny, you know, when I'm not thinking of comedy, and those are the moments when I'm like, where do I put this out? Because now my natural mechanism, my brain works in a way that anything I think, I have a urge to put it out on the internet for you guys to see it, because I cannot keep it to myself. I cannot do that on the channel. Like suddenly I can't just be like, life is like a glass half full. I can't do that. I'm not going to do that on the blog also. So chill, like no Professor Phil's going on there. But a lot of thoughts, you know. You guys like my Instagram captions. It's going to be on that. Like every time I put up an Instagram picture, a lot of you are like, I'm speaking so much, I'm not breathing. So every time I put out good captions on my Instagram, by the way, none of those are like taken from anywhere. Most, like 99% of those are my own. Like I like thinking and writing original content on my Instagram. That's gonna be the vibe. It's gonna be very basic, it's gonna be very minimalistic, nothing hyped, nothing too out of the way, nothing very grey or dark or philosophical or too cheesy or too munchy. None of that is gonna happen. It's gonna be you and me, man. It's gonna be like, it's gonna be life. I am open to do everything. I am not restricting it to a genre. I am pretty sure there are going to be funny articles on the blog because that is how I am as a person. I'm going to try to put my personality, each and every aspect of my personality on the blog. So yeah, right now it's a baby. It's a teensy tiny baby, and we have to make it grow together. So make sure you subscribe to the blog, make sure you give me feedback, make sure you leave comments under the articles, make sure you let me know, write me mails, write me DMs, send me messages on Twitter, tell me what you want to see on the blog, because I'm open to content. It's my life's purpose. That is why I'm sitting here waiting for you to tell me what do you want. So that's all for now. moslysane.in is my official blog now live. So by the time you finish watching this video, link is in the description. Click on it, read my first article. It's written about a year and a half ago. and it was when I went traveling alone for the first time. I love it. I absolutely love it. I could not have thought of a better article to start my blog with. I just want it to be out there that I'm really grateful and I'm really blessed to have you wonderful people in my life. So that's about it, man. Just be with me, alright? I'm just imagining you holding my hand and just be with me, alright? Stay there. That's all I need. Awesome. I'm gonna go now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you should do that. While you do that, also subscribe to my new blog. I'll see you guys again on Thursday. Until we meet, love. This is so weird. Look at that. Can you see me shivering?